Pronto? No, I don't believe I spoke for 10 minutes without even anyone listening to me. I just spoke analysis, what to do, what I think, levels and stuff like that, and blah blah blah. And the audio was not even working. I hate these things. Yeah, guys, sorry guys, I'm really sorry. I'm gonna recap very quick. We still have 4 minutes before market open. So speaking in the hour chart, mostly in NQ, what I'm looking more is the 24,000 is a big level on the daily chart. And this level here is the previous lows at the same time. And this is the gap area yesterday was filled. Are we gonna hold this level to push higher, or this is a liquidity grab to push lower? Because right now this little low did not grab the previous low to think about me. If this one was a lower low than this one, I would have thought this one was a push. I would have been more convinced. But right now, because this low can create now a double bottom, and this is a liquidity grab, it can come lower. So I'm gonna be careful of taking longs or short. Same things on in gold. I'm long bias in gold. Why? We've taken lows. We've not taken any highs in the hour chart. Big level of support here. So this is a good level to go for longs in NQ in gold. I mean, already now you can even try to be aggressive, take a long there. That is already a good long there in gold. We've taken this previous. Let me see what previous. Not really a nice previous low taken, but taking this here up to these highs. That's a beautiful risk reward there. 2.6. Gonna wait until Mercato open. Market will open. I tried calling you twice. Man, I'm sorry. The fact is that even if you like, I should have checked the chat, and I was like, don't check the chat right now. Discuss what you see, and then check with the chat. And just because of that, for the first time, I don't check the chat. You were telling me that there was no sound. But the fact is that the microphone was connected, but sometimes I have to connect and disconnect it to make it work properly. And it's a freaking podcast microphone. I spent 300 euro for this microphone, guys, just to have the best sound possible. Because I don't know if you have been here last year during live stream in Bali. It was horrible. People were like, "Yo, man, we cannot stay in the live stream because it's so bad." And I was like, "You're right, guys. I'm sorry." Guys, some loss have been taken here. Are we gonna close strong here to look for longs and push? But this, the problem of this is the fact that this seems like a big liquidity grab of this level on the higher time frame, and we're coming back lower. I'm trying to avoid stupid trades. Black, West Tomato, good luck with Tomato. I saw you and a comment about your green days, and I wanted to say good luck with today. Yami, it's Imari Idzinanu. Welcome, Ben. Sarah J States, welcome as well. Welcome back, guys. It's been a long time for some of you. How is going? In 19 seconds, market is open. Are we gonna push? Silence is looking for a short in gold. Very interesting. Good luck. I don't have any setup right now, but I wish you the best. Market is open. That quick scalp to the downside, I think, was a good thing. Luckily, did not get long in that gold. Gonna wait and see how this wants to evolve. Because it's anyway the first seconds of the market, so we don't want to rush anything. Keep and chill. We only one good setup for us to make to pay us. Only one good setup. Market already going to pre-market highs there. Nice push. Very nice push there. This level at 220 holding, that's very interesting. We took the previous low here. Right now, let's see if it wants to grab these highs or not. We're gonna wait a few minutes before taking any trades. You don't wanna rush anything, guys. Welcome back to everybody. And if you're new and you don't know, there's 80% off right now with Apex. That's my code, Hamza. It supports the channel as this is a small channel, so any support is appreciated. I watched Luca sent me a video, and it was like, look at this video of this channel, and they went to 2,000 subscribers with only 1 or 2 videos. But these guys are full of money, like Porsche and stuff like that. And I was like, this attracts. That's what attracts. It's money and stuff like that. Guys, we're selling off nicely there. I might take one more trade. Good luck, Tomato. 326. Good job on that. It's a Friday. Let's close the week with a good execution note. Good discipline. Good morning, traffics. That's beautiful there. This might be the short. This might be the short, guys. I'm gonna wait. Like, for example, yesterday, what was the best short after this car? Look at this. Yesterday, we had a huge sell-off, right? We took this long, huge sell-off, come back, grab these highs. She was very aggressive taking long short, but yeah. It went down and down and down and down and then one down. And then you're like, FOMO, you can FOMO around it. Down, down, boom, pushed again, lower. And what was the best setup came out? Was this one. This is the start of the gap of 420. Come back. It did not fill up the entire gap. Pushed once, pushed the second time, took the previous highs, closed below, nice short, 1-to-1 risk reward to the level of liquidation of the gap. Was 1-to-1 risk reward, if 1-to-2 if you had the entry before, and beautiful trading, right? That's what we have to focus, is good setups only. Good luck, Mufti. Thank you for using my code, man. Appreciate it. I don't like the red candles, so I locked myself out. I did it in time of greens. Man, good job. In time of green. Crazy. Crazy how you were panicking a month ago, and now you had... and that is, I think, the beauty as well in trading, is that when we start to really be disciplined and accepting, executing, follow your rules, doing what you should do as a trader, is, I think, is the period of, like, you see real results coming out. And results come not in one day, come with the discipline. So like now, Tomato is not happy for the day. It's happy for the month. You see the difference? I'm not happy because I made free. Of course, I'm happy because I made $300 today. No, I'm happy because I've been disciplined the entire month. That's a huge difference. That is a profitable trader against a negative, unprofitable trader. That's the big difference. Focusing on a long-term approach than on a singular day will make a difference. Be disciplined today because the month will make a big difference. Be disciplined tomorrow because that will make a big difference on the month. You know, again, we can lower, grab some lows. Are we gonna hold, guys? I don't freaking know. I might chop it like yesterday here. Tomato, I don't know if you requested the payout. Did you request payout, Tomato? Yeah. Tomato. It's literally everything, right? It is. Discipline is everything in trading. Not everything, but a big chunk. So right now, I'm just waiting to see if we see something forming. Happy Friday, Wolfie Gains. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let's see. So look at that right now. We have, for the moment, we have ranging. It's a big level, this one. It's a big level. So right now, the market does not know what to do. Does it wants to sell off right now? This is a between a lot of big buyers and sellers. The buyers that are like, yeah, we made some lows, come on, now we try to push back. This is a big level. And the sellers that are right now that it pushed back and we liquidate some highs, whatever, let's push lower. So right now it's a big fight there. Let them fight. Let them fight. How much did you make? Because I saw last week you made first day at 7,000 days. That's crazy. How the heck how much are you up for real? You made $7,000, not to count on your pocket, no? Just curiosity. Ooh! Right now the market is still trying to push. I end up with 16,000. So your account is up $16,000. So your account is up $16,000. How much your account is up? How much is your account is up in total? 25,000? If you're gonna tell me 25,000, are you up? If you tell me that you are up $25,000 in your account, I'm just waiting for confirmation. You tell me this. Tell me that. Tell me how much are you up in the account? Now you answer this question, Tomato, and I swear to you, I will punch you. And you tell me that you have not requested a payout yet? Look at my face. Look eye to eye. You have not requested yet a payout. And you could have done it like 20 days ago. Mufti, are you here? Mufti, are you here? Mufti, tell me you are here. Mufti, tell me you're here. So we're gonna punch Tomato. We're gonna punch Tomato. I'm gonna punch you on the left. Mufti is gonna punch you on the right. Well, then you're gonna go on the floor. I'm gonna step on you, punch you more. If you're up $25,000 and you have not requested a payout, I swear to you, I will punch you if you don't request a payout today. Andy, welcome back to Andy, our swing trader. Not just because I don't like you to don't. No, just because I love you guys, all of you here, that I care to tell you, take a freaking payout. Pay yourself. Make it real. You have cushion anyway. I swear to you. Don't do this mistake of not requesting payout. Get paid. Get paid. Don't get greedy looking at this number to be bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Get paid. Make it grow after. Get paid. Make it grow up. I swear to you, I'm gonna punch each one of you guys. Oh my God. The moment I always got payout, I took out the money. Why? Because I was like, I'm not sure I'm gonna get to the next payout. And just because doing that, look at that. I got in February and I was so excited. My trading is good. I have payouts. I already requested $6,000, $5,000 by February. But if I grow by end of the year, I can get to $100,000 of payout. That's what my brain was telling me in February. How many payouts I got from February to now? Zero. Zero. My strategy stopped working. Everything stopped working. But thanks God I requested payout because I'm in chill. I'm relaxed because I can say I'm better than 95% of the people. I did not lose money this year. I can keep trading and keep improving, keep pushing on the right direction. But if you keep numbers and a number to be bigger in an account that is not even yours, just to see it bigger, the day it will happen that you might have a bad day or a turn day and you get a bad moment that I hope is not going to happen. That's what. But I'm looking at the general factor of all of us people, and maybe it does not turn. You have to pay yourself. Man, come to Paraguay. Come to Paraguay, Tomato. But you're American. You know, that's the point of being from the States. You're destroyed by these things. Along here is possible, but risk reward does not make sense because we grabbed another low here. It doesn't make sense. So choppy, guys. So choppy. You did good to lock yourself out. Look at the choppiness, guys. Get him! Get him! Get him now. That is the point of American citizens, is that no matter where you go, you have to pay taxes in USA anyway. Depends by, I guess, by state, but that sucks. If you're really big, I know, but you have Puerto Rico. You can move to Puerto Rico. That's what the state people do to not pay taxes. Go to Puerto Rico, right? Even if you are a USA citizen, Puerto Rico is the place for you to don't pay taxes. So much choppiness, guys. So much choppiness. Look, Tomato, if you start to have that consistency in trading, I don't want to tell you now because as much as I love you, right? But if you work online and you have a remote job and you think about moving to Puerto Rico, trade, and maybe one day trading becomes your biggest income, making huge amount of money, big investment, yeah. Zero tax is a big difference, guys. I'm gonna make a video in the next days. I'm meeting a guy today about taxation in Paraguay. If you have questions about what to ask about taxation in Paraguay residency, please drop them in Discord, tag me, and I'll put them up during the interview to him. We're gonna do a face-to-face interview because they're the best, and it's gonna be like a 50 minutes interview where we have news at 9:45. I can see that. Some news there. Okay. So guys, if you're thinking about Paraguay as a residency and you're looking for it, just drop some question in Discord and I will provide them to him. We're gonna do an interview by next week, and by the end of the next week, the interview will be available. Today I'm doing a vlog about my life here in Paraguay, very chill life, very focused work. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about Puerto Rico. I think it's good for people that have a good earnings, like because I believe it's gonna be like expensive and everything. So you really need to have a lot of money, I believe. Do you have a second citizenship, Tomato? So we're selling right now, guys. We are selling. News as well as at 10 a.m. We really chopped out a lot. Does it want these things to come back? Does these things wants to come back? We're right now selling. So we go back to the hour chart that we were speaking about, and you see it. We said that because of this low not being the previous taken, a good chance these things will come back. We grabbed liquidity above here, but right now we are really nicely selling. 50-minute chart looks sexy as hell on the selling side. I'm not gonna enter because I like to see a setup on the smaller time frame. So I like to see a setup on this on the 3-minute chart. So probably something like we create something here, we come back, we grabbed, and we go lower. That would be nice. If not, I'm looking as well for gold. I'm looking for longs in gold, and what I'm looking gold is I had the 3-minute chart. I had a 5-minute chart. What I'm looking in gold here is these things to come lower, come back, and close above again. Then I will look for long stop loss here, take profit here, or even here. Matt, Brazilian? Oh yeah, Matt, another Matt. What's up? Matt working on temporary residence in Mexico. Yeah, Mexico is a good one, man. I see many as well do the Mexican one. I have air conditioner on somewhere here because I feel cold. I feel cold when I see you, Matt. Oh, freaking gold! Didn't you grab this loose piece of crap before? It didn't. It didn't. Maybe the mini. The mini contract. Yes, did it. The mini contract grabbed the previous low. Is it that enough? Oh, guys, that's a nice push. That's a nice push here. We grabbed even more lows right now. Oh, that's good. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Only problem is the stop loss. Only problem is the freaking stop loss. No, I'm not gonna take this. I'm not convinced because of the higher time frame. I'm gonna leave it there. If I want to take a long from these things, it's gonna be outside this area. This may be more as a short than a long. A long, I prefer something more structured above. I'm looking for gold. The only fix in gold is piece of crap. It did grab the previous low in the normal contract, but not in the micro contract. That's annoying. I would have loved to take a long here in gold. Something like this, but we will. I have to wait. I have to wait. I cannot rush. If I rush, I got cooked. I prefer miss a trading day than taking a bad trading day. Oh, that's pushing there. Let's see. We'll see. On Q's well pushing. Look at this beauty gold. The fact is that it did grab the previous one with the mini contract and not with the micro contract. That's annoying. So taking a long here, a piece of crap. I'm risking $300 to make $500 there. No, more. Yeah, $400, $420. So if I go with free contracts, I'm risking $300 to hopefully make 410. Good jobs, estate. I'm looking for longs. I wish that we had some better grab of this first push there. I'm evaluating. I'm really looking for this long in gold. Let's go to the hour chart again to see if that makes sense. Yeah, with a nice push, we can come back and turn this candle green, hopefully. We didn't grab any of the previous high. It's true that we're rejecting this trend line, but we're holding this level. After this push, grabbing these lows. I'm gonna leave it and wait for a better trade. I will be strong. I would have loved these lows to be taken out before taking a long. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna be strong mentally and not messing around it. Probably it's gonna skyrocket, but we accept it. It's okay. I'm gonna leave it there if it happens. Thank you is pushing right now. Might come to the highs. Let's see. Very nice push. If gold goes to the highs without me, I will be happy anyway, because I think I had like a good read enough on it, on direction wise. It just did not give me the signal to enter, and my signal to enter was at least the previous low to be taken. If this low was taken in gold, I would have entered 100%. If this low here come and grab this previous low, I would have entered somewhere here. I would give it this trade the chance. I would have done that. And I would be up already $174. I will try my best to be calm, because that's okay. It's normal. And Q and ES are pushing. Guys, this market sucks today. So this push in gold is nice. We're gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it there. Consumer sentiment final, yes, in 4 minutes. Would be nice to see NQ grabbing some highs and maybe coming back. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know it's consumer sentiments in 1 minute. Guys, I'm gonna take this short. NQ grab the previous highs. We're closing below the level. $222 loss. I'm gonna take it. I know there is the news, but that's a great trade here. During evaluation, you can do whatever you like. Long, short, long, do whatever you like, take it. During PA, you cannot. During funded accounts, you cannot do that. Guys, I'm gonna take this short anytime during the day. That's a beautiful short. Grab the previous days, previous highs, close lower. I will take it. Yes, did not take the previous short, but that's a great short for me. There's another sell pressure there. It's not really, because you can go long and short. Maybe during news, but you can go long and short and get stopped out in both. It happens. It happened to me so many times. Too many times. I wish it was that easy. But during that, you can do that during news. Take a news, like a big news. Don't go full contract because you might get slippage and destroyed by the spread. Go by half contract, get the points you need, and play the news. Yeah, you can get stopped out twice too. So I will be like, yeah, don't rely on that. Let's see if we can get a sell-off there. This is a beautiful candle there, guys. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I like this trade. One micro contract only, guys. And probably this is going to be my only trade for the day. Oh, CEO strategy. How you manage all your accounts? Like this trade is in all of your accounts, or you choose a copy that you trade? In this case, for example, it's in 16 accounts because I have 4 PAs that I've never touched because I'm trying to restabilize myself with the strategy. So right now I'm just copy trading 16 accounts because the other one are 4 news. I'm leaving them there. There was a $40 activation fee, and I was like, I'm gonna activate them and keep them there because it would have been like a waste of opportunity to not use them with $40. It was a very cheap price. Consumer confidence news is there, and let's see if I'm gonna get screwed by it. Gold is pushing. Gold was the right game, guys. There is still pushing. Yeah, you don't need to push it. I think the $40 lifetime fee promotion is still there for a few days more. I'm still liking this trade, guys. Come on, right now, give the sell. Give the sell. Keep selling right now. Let's go for aim for the bottom, bottom. Below this, probably stop loss in break even at 24,100 to avoid. But if we break these guys, we're gonna sell off like just past Apex and back. Let's go, man. $40. You're gonna activate it tonight. Crazy. Let's go, Mufti. Let's freaking go. Come on, let's sell off right now. Let's sell off big. Let's sell off big. Let's sell off big, guys. Let's have a huge sell off. You better pay. I mean, come on, you got a beautiful consistency in the last period, brother. So keep it going like that. Keep it going like that. Come on, can we get a break of this low? There is a support here, guys, at 2100. So be careful about it. This support here. Come on, let's continue. Sell, sell, sell. Continue selling. Continue selling. Continue selling. Continue selling there. That's a profit take area. I'm just trying to be more patient, but that's a profit take area. Continue. That's a nice closure. That's a nice closure. There's a support area there. I'm just trying to be careful. There is a support here. If I go to the 1 hour chart, you will see it. You will see it. It's here. You see it? That's a support area. I'm trying to be careful. Does it want to bounce there? That's my worry right now, guys. That's what I'm mostly worried. "32 seconds. We're closing this 5 minutes candle at least red. So that's good. I'm gonna probably move my stop loss to break even. I don't like that we bounce. Yeah, I said it. This area of support is a bit critical, but let's see how it goes. I don't like that hour level. Support area here. Yeah. And we go stop it out in break even. Where is my trader pro? No! I know. Let me remove the order. Let me get to my trade pro. I get your point. And this retest area here, I took it out. See you, Mufti. Thank you for coming. Someone doesn't want to be uncomfortable. And I think it's good chance. Good chance it's me. It's me. It's me. It's me, guys. It's me. I don't want to be uncomfortable today. I don't want to be uncomfortable. But this was a beautiful trade. Take profit at one. This was 1-to-1 risk reward. How much we were risking? 219, and we got to 220. That was 1-to-1 risk reward. He said no more break-even stop loss. Yeah, I said it yesterday. You know, we're emotional bitches in trading. We're emotional bitches. Nothing to say. we are emotional bitches. If this thing right now goes down, you can insult me, guys. That's yeah. I'm gonna cry. Let me cry. It doesn't matter if it goes up and down, right? That's a good point. That's a really good point what you said there. I'm like thinking to re-enter and just then accept whatever outcome. Enter only above. If it goes down, yeah. If this shit goes down, this is something I have to fight next week. This is I have to fight next week is stop moving, stop loss to break even. Oh, that's gonna be hard if it's gonna skyrocket to the downside. It's gonna be hard to see. You're seeing the emotional roller coaster of my brain right now. Going crazy inside this emotional, inside my head. I will take it in. If it wants to fill me again, I will take it in. It's still valid. If it wants to fill me. If it doesn't want to fill me because it wants to skyrocket to the downside. If it's yeah. It will be pissed off if it's a loss. Wait, I'm thinking about it. Taking it or accepting it. Let me see if it removed everything around. Pull working orders, exit position. Now this is still a beautiful. I'm gonna take it and accept the loss. If it come back and wants to fill me, I will take it and accept the loss. Whatever loss it is, I will accept it. Stop loss, take profit. I'll accept if it doesn't want to do it. That's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now, this is hard to see. That's hard to see, guys. Why did I move my stop loss to break even? I'm a bitch. I'm a bitch scared. Scared of what? Losing $200, $300 of fake money simulated? When I already have accepted the loss from the start? No, it was before Tomato to say that. I'm like reviving what I passed my through, right? I'm just trying to learn what happened to my mind there. But now this thing is just a beautiful short. This right now, it's a beautiful short. These things will go to these lows. No, don't say sorry. It's not your fault. You don't take my trades. I take my own trades. I've been live streaming for 2 years right now. You know how many comments every day they tell me, do this, do that, do this? It's not your fault, guys. You can use it, guys. You can insult me because I said it even yesterday. Don't use it. Don't move the stop loss to break even. Don't move the stop loss to break even. Don't move the stop loss to break even. Ah! I stayed and doubled down. Yeah, man. That's a good trader. Fucking stay, come back. Oh, add to the fucking position because it's a great trade. 225. I go with 2 contracts. $450. Make it like not even a max loss, but no, I think, Nick, I should not move my stop loss. The best way, I think. I'm not ready to move stop losses. I think my way is take profit, stop loss, that's it. Close and move on. Whatever hits first. 1, I accept my losses from the start. 2, I take full profit every time. Yeah, there is time it's good, but I'm not ready mentally. I have to admit this to myself. Having the power of moving stop loss to break even and moving stop loss gives a lot of more mental stress that I believe I'm not in it. This shit is hard, guys. No, I'm not gonna do anything from Monday. Stop loss, take profit. I don't touch shit of any of them. My take profits are good most of the time. My stop loss are good most of the time. Leave it play until it will happen. If it hits stop loss, peace and love. If it hits take profit, very good. It's gonna be always at least 1-to-1, 1-to-2. This was even when was it short? This was even, how much is it? Almost 1-to-2 risk reward. Take it, move on. That's it. This finish is gone to the bottom, guys. I'm gonna look at it, going to take profit without me. This is a freaking retest area. This is a retest area. This is a retest area. Fucking hell. What the fuck? I put my stop loss in a retest area. I said it. See you, Tomato. Good job on your trading, man. Very good job. A beautiful short. Look at these previous highs taken, closing lower, closing below this level I was looking for. This was the level I was looking for. Like we closed lower. Where is the next? This low. Why? This low did not take the previous low. So all these buyers and these buyers have their stop loss below this and below this. All these highs were taken. We liquid, we faked out. Hold it. Now I'll be already up $270. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, no, tomato. Your turn to say, yeah. Okay. Next week, I will not move. And I swear to my life, to Nick's life, to Abdel's life, to Tomato's life, to each one of yours life, I will not move the stop loss. It's gonna be a fucking stop loss in one set, a take profit somewhere. The fuck it hits one of them, I'm in peace and love. I wanna live. That's why I said your names as well. If I die, you die, all of you, you die as well. You don't leave me here alone. Fuck this shit. Trading is so hard. It's so hard. Oh, maybe we'll get an entry, eh? Maybe we'll get an entry. Maybe we'll get the entry, guys. We're entering our trade. I put the order. Yeah, there are more trades. So I'm gonna pay. I'm in peace with it. I'm in peace. It got me, but it's okay. This one, I will put it. Stop loss, break even. Sorry. Stop loss set. I accidentally traded my new PA. What do you mean accidentally traded your new PA? Be careful, man. I really have to. What do you mean you traded accidentally? Logged in the new accounts by mistake. Be careful. When it will WealthCharts, when you select the first account. Something I really have to. I have to accept that anything between my take profit and break even can be choppy as fuck for hours as well. Can be all this choppiness. This means nothing. Can chop here all day. The important is the take profit gets hit and my liquidation grab is perfect. So $60 profit, so lucky. It counts. It counts, my friend. It counts. Why? My mouse filled with double contract. It's not gonna fill me anyway. So we give it peace and love. That was a beautiful trade. $450. Well, they brought my accounts to where? 51,900. $427 plus, yeah, almost 900 there. 21,900. What a beautiful short I was. Such a beautiful short. Yeah, it still could be a loss. Imagine skyrocket to here. That would be insane. That would be insane. Not your profit until you're out. It's true. That's true. So right now, look at that. Look at this shit. The fact is that I know. I think still we're gonna go lower. It's just too weak. This shit. And if you come back here, it still can be a retest to these ones here. Guys, I got emotional today. Emotional. I didn't do shit about taking other losses, but emotional on moving break even. So you saw me today live breaking out, getting crazy. Welcome to the live stream of Hamza. When sometimes I go mad. We are pushing us. We are pushing us right now. We're pushing there. I might, to be honest, I'm thinking to just take the entry and put the take profit ahead in mind and accept it, whatever it is. Even if I don't think it's gonna happen. Stop loss there. Take profit here. I don't think it's gonna happen. I have to go to the toilet. Oh, I got filled. Guys, I swear to you, if that is gonna, okay, take profit. I got filled. Stop loss is there with OCO order. Everything is there. 25. Guys, we're gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna go because I have a call. That is my take profit. That is my stop loss. I won't touch anything, and whatever gets happens. Peace and love, guys. See you next time. I'm not gonna touch it. This is the screenshot. I'm gonna send it in Discord. Whatever happens. I love you all. Thank you for the emotions of today. They were crazy. Whatever happens. Love you guys.